Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect your 123FormBuilder forms with Evernote, so your form submissions automatically turn into organized notes, ready to use and share with your team. If you want to save time, reduce manual work, and keep your projects super organized, this integration is for you. Let's dive in. First, log into your 123FormBuilder account and open the form you want to connect. Go to Setup and then Integrations. Search for Evernote and click Connect. Authorize your Evernote account when prompted. This just gives 123FormBuilder permission to send form data to your Evernote notebooks. Next, choose the Evernote notebook where you want your submissions to go. Give your note a title and map your form fields to the note content. You can add static text, define tags, or even set up reminders if you like. If you want to accept file uploads, you can add up to 10 upload fields per form, but together they can't exceed 25 megabytes. Images go right in the note body. Other files show up as attachments. When you're happy with the setup, just hit Save. Now let's make a quick test. Preview your form, submit an entry, then check your Evernote dashboard. You should see a new note with all your form details. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've automated one more part of your workflow. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and happy form building.